Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and both devices are charged to at least 50%. Power on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then, simply bring your Apple Watch close to your iPhone. A pairing animation should automatically pop up on your iPhone screen, guiding you through the initial steps for a seamless connection. Once the pairing animation appears on your iPhone, tap Continue. Your iPhone will then prompt you to use its camera. Hold your iPhone over your Apple Watch so the watch face fits within the yellow viewfinder on your phone's screen. This will automatically pair the devices. If the camera doesn't work, don't worry. You can tap Pair manually on your iPhone and enter the 6-digit code displayed on your Apple Watch directly into your phone. After successful pairing, you'll have the option to set up your Apple Watch as a new device or restore from a previous backup. This is a great feature if you're upgrading. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, sign in with your Apple ID to ensure all your apps, contacts, and services sync perfectly. You can also customize various settings, including text size, creating a passcode for security, and setting up activity tracking preferences to personalize your experience. The final step involves waiting a few minutes for your data to synchronize from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. This ensures everything is transferred correctly. Once the synchronization is complete, your Apple Watch will display its watch face, indicating it's ready to use. You can then explore the Watch app on your iPhone to further customize watch faces, app layouts, and notification settings. Congratulations! Your Apple Watch is now fully paired and ready for you to enjoy its many convenient features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.